when the Mangalore police investigates Ibrahim Khalil, my lord.
Who is Ibrahim Khalil?
Ibrahim Khalil is
The wanted man.
The wanted man, my lord, by the Andhra Pradesh anti-terrorist squad. They asked the passport authorities with regard to the details of the passport, my lord. But upon verification, my lord, by the state police, my lord, they see that, my lord, 15 people have been given the same address, my lord.
Accused number 3 has facilitated the clearance of an application of a terrorist. The role of the police constable who clears the verification of those 15 applications that emerge from the travel agent, the present petitioner, cannot also be left scot-free, as any person acting against the interest of the nation must be brought to books.
Lord, accused number 1 is most wanted in Andhra counter.
Most wanted in Andhra.
Please, my lord, anti-terrorist squad. Lord,
Oh, idu police renewal kotradu.
please, my
Yes.
lord, please, my lord.
Petitioner is a travel agent.
Petitioner is a travel agent, my lord. What he does is, my lord, he sets up the one apartment. Lord, he gives the same address for all the 15 of them who have taken the passport, my lord. Out of one, the accused number 1, my lord, is Khalil, Ibrahim Khalil. Lord, he is most wanted in the Andhra Pradesh anti-terrorist squad, my lord. Therefore, my lord, the
Yeah,
state.
Parameshwarappa. Yes, sir.
The Lordship, in the FIR, his name is not included. Thereof charge sheet is widely included, my lord.
FIR level charge sheet barbardu antala.
There is no allegation against the
Petitioner.
He's a handicapped person. Handicapped person.
Handicapped. Oh. Oh, you are a travel agent.
Travel agency.
Lord, it so happens, Lord, when the Mangalore police investigates Ibrahim Khalil, my lord.
Who is Ibrahim Khalil?
Ibrahim Khalil is
The wanted man.
The wanted man, my lord, by the Andhra Pradesh anti-terrorist squad. Lord, that they asked the passport authorities with regard to the details of the passport, my lord. Then, my lord, they come to know that the address, my lord, upon verification, my lord, by the state police, my lord, they see that, my lord, 15 people have been given the same address, my lord. The investigation is conducted, my lord, and charge sheet is filed.
ಅವಾಗ ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ.
Please.
ಬಟ್ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. Yes, we'll consider.
State
The petitioner. SPP ಅವರೇ, ಏನ್ ನೀವು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ವೆರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ?
No, this is the police constable only.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ಇದು. This is a travel police constable.
Police constable is the complainant.
Complainant is the police constable, correct? ಈ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು.
He was facilitating the
Correct.
address.
The petitioner, accused number 2 ಅಲ್ಲ?
2.
ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ. The petitioner, accused number 2, is at the doors of this court calling in question proceedings in CC 168 of 2021.
3, my lord. Accused number 3.
Accused number 3. Calling in question proceedings in.
Let me see, my lord, any other thing.
Wait, sir. Calling in question proceedings in CC 168 of 2021 registered for offences punishable under 465, 468, 471, 420 and section 12B of the Passports Act 1967. Facts in brief germane are as follows. The petitioner is said to be physically disabled and runs a travel agency. He is therefore functions as a travel agent. In the capacity of him being a travel agent, he is said to have facilitated the renewal of passport, facilitated police verification for the purpose of renewal of passport. The facilitation comes to the knowledge of the complainant constable who had approved the police verification pursuant to which the several persons had got their passport renewed. The gaining of the knowledge of the accused number 1, whose verification also was cleared pursuant to the facilitation by the present petitioner, registers the subject complaint. It is on the allegation that one Ibrahim Khalil, the accused number one, is the most wanted man by the Andhra Pradesh Anti-Terrorist Squad. His passport also is facilitated to be renewed by generating the applications or otherwise through the agency that the petitioner held. It is then the crime is registered, but the petitioner was not drawn as an accused at the time of registration of the crime. The police conduct investigation and then file a charge sheet. Filing of the charge sheet is what has driven the petitioner accused number 3 into the web of crime in the present proceedings. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is a bona fide travel agent. He is a bona fide travel agent. He has only facilitated the applications that come before him for the purpose of generating a police verification to the hands of the state, and in consequence the renewal aayta elradu, and consequential renewal of several persons, including the accused number 1. Therefore, it is his submission that no fault can be found with his action, of bona fide action of the facilitation of renewal of passport. The learned, per contra, the learned DSGI would, Shanti Bhushan would refute the submission, appearing for the second respondent, Regional Passport Office, would refute the submission in contending the petitioner runs a travel agency. His address fake,
Please,
address fake.
fake. I've stated in the.
Sorry. His address is fake. His address is fake, and for 15 applications, the same address where the travel agency is located is indicated in all those 15 applications of the 15 passports which he seeks to renew, and not those applicants of passports. Therefore, would submit that he has facilitated a terrorist, if an alleged terrorist who is wanted by the Andhra Pradesh Anti-Terrorist Squad also to get a passport contrary to law. He would submit that the petitioner, this court cannot interdict the proceedings at this stage. It is for the petitioner to come out clean in a full-blown trial. The learned SPP, B.N. Jagdish, would, on verification of the records, submit and endorse what the learned DSGI would submit as the police constable who had done the verification work of 15 applications that generated from the travel house of the petitioner. Correct, Atapa? Travel house of the generated from travel house of the petitioner and house of the petitioner are all under scrutiny, as it is a clear case where the petitioner has played fraud in getting the police verification done. I have given my anxious consideration to submissions made by the respective learned counsel. The aforenarrated facts are not in dispute. They are all, in fact, a matter of record. The role of the petitioner is also a matter of record. The petitioner's name did not spring while registering the crime is a matter of record. The police conduct investigation and file a charge sheet. When the charge sheet is filed, the role of the petitioner springs. The summary of the charge sheet as obtaining in column number 17 reads as follows. What is the role of the petitioner is that he runs a travel agency. He gives his address for 15 applications as if they are addresses of the applicants of renewal of passport. On the strength of the application so given by the petitioner, the passports, the police verification is done, and the passports of those persons are renewed, including of one Ibrahim Khalil, who is accused number 1, who is said to be wanted by the Andhra Pradesh Anti-Terrorist Squad for his terrorist activities. Therefore, the petitioner, accused number 3, has facilitated the clearance of an application of a terrorist or alleged terrorist who is wanted by the Andhra Pradesh Terrorist Squad. Therefore, the petitioner, on the strength of him being disabled or a bona fide travel agent who is only processed the applications and sent it to the constable for verification, cannot escape the clutches of law, particularly if he has indulged in getting the verification of those persons, including any one of them who is a terrorist. Therefore, the petitioner must stand trial for him to come out clean, notwithstanding his disability or ill health or whatever it is, as he has acted against the interests of the nation by such facilitation. Finding no merit in the petition stands rejected.
Police constable ಮೇಲೆ
ಅದು ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
sanction was sought, my lord. I think it's further
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. In the entire episode, the role of the police constable who clears the verification of those 15 applications that emerge from the travel agent, the present petitioner, cannot also be left scot-free. As the said police constable also must be brought to books for having cleared without any verification. The learned SPP submits that sanction has been sought to prosecute the said police constable, which is pending consideration. If such an application is pending consideration, it is for the state to process the said application, bearing in mind the observation made in the course of the order, as any person acting against the interests of the nation must be brought to books.
What you have just seen is a significant observation from Karnataka High Court. The case concerns a travel agent accused of helping a person allegedly linked to terrorist activities renew his passport by using a false residential address. The agent approached the High Court seeking to squash the criminal proceedings against him, but the court refused. Justice M. Nagaprasanna observed that if these allegations are proven during trial, they go far beyond ordinary criminal misconduct and directly touch upon issues of national security and the sovereignty of the nation. The court also rejected the argument that the travel agent's physical disability should be a ground for leniency, stating that personal circumstances cannot override the need to investigate and prosecute allegations affecting national interest. Importantly, the High Court also raised concerns about the police constable who verified multiple passport applications carrying the same address without proper verification and urged the state to expedite actions against him. The court emphasized that threats to national security are not created only by those who commit unlawful acts directly, but also by those who facilitate, enable, or negligently allow such acts to occur. The criminal trial will now proceed, where the allegations will be tested on the evidence.